Check it. Alright guys, what is up? This is not a typical video, guys. I'm just dropping this video real quick to let you guys know what's going on with AMC. Price points I'm looking at for support and resistance, where I think we're heading. And now that I have today's price action, I have a little bit more idea of what's going on. We have a little bit more price structure. So guys, we're going to get into all that and more. I'm going to explain everything that I think is happening for AMC. Let's go ahead and get the charts, the facts, the data. Let's go. Back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at AMC. So guys, I wanted to get this video out here quickly as we are seeing that pullback that I was calling back to that 550 level, currently 2 cents below 548. So I'm going to tell you what can happen, what I would like to happen, and what most likely is going to happen. So I told you guys yesterday that if we didn't take off because RSI was so incredibly high on the 4-hour time frame that we were going to see that pullback to this 550 level. So I'm going to tell you support and resistances, what we can look at in moving forward, and what I think is going to happen. So we're hitting this 550 level now and testing it as support. Now we had 5 green days in a row. So this is why AMC sometimes comes crashing back down. You need to check support as you move up. So we need to check support on the way up. We are currently checking this 550 support. We're going to see if that holds. If that doesn't hold, we will move down to this 525, 530 area. The lowest I think we will possibly go is $5, $5.15 in my personal opinion. Now we have seen AMC recently show strength and recover, but I know people are going to be scared. They're going to think, oh, it's going back to $3, and they are going to start dumping and moving out of their positions. I'm in the camp that earnings is going to be very good for us, and we are going to be moving up in an uptrend, and this bearish trend is ending. Now, it's not going to be that big euphoria that everyone wants to see. This is the beginning of our bull run, the beginning of it. So there's going to be some sideways chop. There's going to be some consolidation, all things that I know you guys don't want to hear, but we have to be realistic, keep our heads on straight. That way we can keep focused on the play and see what we are actually dealing with. So this is what I'm looking at when I'm seeing AMC right now. I do see this ascending triangle. This is a bullish pattern to a point. As you guys know, it breaks down 2 out of 3 chances at the time. And right now, what is it doing? It's breaking down. We had this false break yesterday, but it went back inside the triangle. And now it looks like it is now testing it, breaking to the downside. So we could see this pullback all the way down to on Tuesday or Wednesday, down to this 515, 525 level, and see pullback into earnings. Like I was saying, possibly could be a something that's happening, or we'll get a bounce and start consolidating up into earnings. But I do believe earnings is going to be a good catalyst for us. Once I see the price action on earnings on Friday, it will give me a lot more clear idea of where we're at, and I'll be able to give you guys more information on what's going down after I see that price action. But I wanted to get this video out there quickly, just to let you guys know that it's not the end of the world. I do not think we're going to become crashing back down to $4, $3, these lower levels. In my personal opinion, I do think we are going to be healthily checking support and resistance on the way up. We are still in this overall bigger ascending wedge, which gives us this overall support down here, a big confluence of support at this 5. As you guys can see, we have EMAs here. We have horizontal support and we have structural support, indicational support, showing us that there's a big confluence of support here at the $5 level, $5.15 level, $5.25 level in this range here, and it is going to be holding as support in my personal level if this 550 level doesn't hold. So I do think that RSI is cooling down. This is very good. RSI was extremely hot on the 4-hour time frame. We're starting to get a little bit of a bearish cross here on the 4-hour time frame. It's going to stump momentum again, pull us down for maybe 1 or 2 days, but we will see AMC find a bottom, and then once AMC finds this bottom, it will tell me if it's at 550 or 525, $5. It will tell me a lot more about the scenario we're in, but I do not think we're going to lower than $5 in my personal opinion. Maybe $5.15, $5.25 at the lowest around that range. As you guys can see, right here is the chart. Right here is the confluence area between this area and this area here. We have major support and resistance between the EMAs, the structural support, and the horizontal support. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC, guys. I do not think that is over. I do think we're going to be moving up in the next couple of weeks and starting a trend. Now, we could see the parabolic action that we are all hoping for, that we all wanted to happen. Again, this is still in this parabolic arc. We could actually take off here in the next couple of days. It is just right now retesting this, but if it breaks down anymore, then this parabolic arc is no longer valid. These are very hard trends to follow. That's why they are very useful, though, because if you are in a parabolic arc, it will be very, very noticeable because you will be holding that trend line and not breaking it. Right now, we did not break it, so we could see more crazy movement to the upside. But guys, I'm telling you what I'm most likely is going to happen, like I was saying, and I think we're going to see that pullback, and what's more likely going to happen. What I would like to happen is us have this parabolic movement and push to the upside, but I think we're going to see a little bit of pullback and consolidation into earnings. I do think the barge pattern is on track. I think things are just maybe a day or two behind, and that's why we are not at these higher price points. But guys, if you look, it only says we should only be about $5.75 at this point, and then moving up here shortly. So again, barge pattern not completely invalidated. We will see where price is going. I'm in the camp that we will be higher in the next couple of weeks, in my personal opinion, trading around that $10 area next week, in my personal opinion. Let's see how price action affects earnings, or earnings affects price action, and then go from there. But guys, I just wanted to get this video out there real quick, let you guys know what's going on, give you guys a quick update for the morning, and let you guys know what I'm looking at and where I think AMC is going to find support. So hopefully you find this video informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. And again, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. We talk about stocks, crypto all day long. So if you find any of that interesting, go ahead and check us out. Link down in the comment section below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, guys, that was the video. Thank you for watching. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.